from the shadows, 'cause I'll be out again tonight. I'll give you such a tender kiss, and then a deadly evil vicious bite. I close my eyes and wait to see of the change that's coming over me. That's when it all happened. I had to die and start anew. Now I go out every single night to find the blood, start the blood, blood.
There you go. That's version 1, Blood of the Blues. We'll get to the next version in just a moment, right after we thank Danny Johnson for bringing us the album and sitting down with us here today to talk about it. Danny, thank you so much. Be sure and tell all the guys and gals that how much we love the album. And I just personally, I don't know about you, John Bon Jovial, I think he's got a classic here.
I'll tell you what, Danny, and I don't say this lightly. I really am impressed, man. You've really covered the gamut. I mean, you've got a really nice record here, and
thanks, man.
I hope the thing takes off. I hope it sells a bazillion copies, and that you make a lot of money with it, and especially in light of the fact that you're giving the proceeds to the victims of the California fires. I mean, that's just that's going above and beyond. That's phenomenal.
Thank you. Well, believe it or not, we hope it does sell a billion copies. That way we can help the fire victims, because there's a lot of displaced people. There really are.
Absolutely. Danny, again, thank you so much. If any of the artists would like to come and be on the show, you know how to get a hold of me. We'll make room for them and find a place to have them come in and be a guest here on the David Bowers Awards. Ladies and gentlemen, Danny Johnson of the group. Well, he put the album together. It's called Come and Get It, by a group who call themselves collectively Americana Kitchen. And here's version 2, Blood of the Blues.
I'm gonna tell you something that happened a long, long time ago. Walking the streets out in New Orleans to a place I shouldn't go, where shadows are moving in the night. I can feel it watch over me. A tender kiss, then an evil bite. That's the last sunset I'll ever see. I close my eyes and wait to see of the change that's coming over me. That's when it all happened. I had to die to start anew. Now I have to go out every single night to find the blood. A girl can surely be, to live in darkness and hide from the light. That's just the way it's gotta be. How can something be this way? Look what's happened in my life. No more happy little home. when it all happened. I had to die to start anew. Now I have to go out every single night to find the blood of the blues. Gather round and take a careful tip from me. Look close to where you walk at night and where you're not supposed to be. I watch you from the shadows, 'cause I'll be out again tonight. I'll give you such a tender kiss, then a deadly, evil, vicious bite. Oh, now close your eyes and wait to see of the change that's coming because of me. That's when it all happened. You're gonna die to start anew, 'cause I go out every single night to find the blood of the blues.
And there you go, version. Well, actually, that's version 3, Blood of the Blues. But I wanted you to see the contrasting sound and styles. Great album. It's called "Come and Get It." The group of musicians that has gotten together for it call themselves Americana Kitchen. We appreciate Danny Johnson for coming in and sharing the album and the notes and the background story. Fascinating. You're going to love the album. Get your own copy. Go to www.americanakitchenmusic.com. americanakitchenmusic.com. You can order it either digitally or hard copy. And till the end of the year, all the proceeds go to the Cal Fund, the organization providing relief for the California fire victims. So it's a great cause and a classic album. You'll look back on this in the years to come and be very glad you have a copy, because I personally think this is something special. You, John Bon Jovial?
Oh, I tell you what, I have just been absolutely in love with this show since the first minute that we opened it today. This guy, Danny Johnson, has done such a good job of putting these musicians together and really, really getting into the heart and soul of blues, of Zydeco, and even
Americana music in general.
Yeah, even throwing in just a little tinge of country in there, and it's like, wow, this thing really works. And the fact that all of the proceeds for this record go to help out the victims of the 2 major fires in California, in November is just an absolutely phenomenal gesture on his part, and also of the musicians themselves, to sacrifice the income from this record for a really, really good cause. So we appreciate it, and we would really appreciate it if you guys would go out there and buy this record. Go to Americana Kitchen Music?
Kitchen Music.
Yeah, AmericanaKitchenMusic.com. And order the hard copy. It's $29, and it's worth every penny of it. It really is. And you'll have a nice, physical record in your hand that, not a record, but a CD that, of course, that you can play.
Right.
Really nice job.
And it's a big double album. You'll get the liner notes and all the background stuff in it too. It's definitely an investment in more than one. It's an investment in helping the people in California who suffered from the fires. It's an investment in a classic album of classic Americana music. Want to take just a second to thank Danny Johnson for being with us here on the show today on the David Bowers Awards, and also to remind you that we've got coming up in the near future, in the next few weeks, we've got a young lady named Skella. That's Skela. I hope that's how to pronounce it. Or Skella or Skela. I don't know. We'll find out next week. So until next week, here on the David Bowers Awards, I guess it's time for you to take us home, John Bon Jovial.
Hey, we're out of here. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being with us this week. You've spent another hour of time listening to some of the best music in the world that we would like to bring to you by people that you may have not known of otherwise. The David Bowers Awards, that's who we are. We are broadcast around the world from the studios of Computer Help USA in Naples, Florida, and of course from the Valley of the Sun in Tempe, Arizona, and available for free on Blog Talk Radio. Be sure to click the follow link on our Blog Talk Radio page, and of course like the David Bowers on Twitter and on Facebook. Join us next week, if you would please, for the David Bowers Awards, Saturday at 12 noon Eastern on WRFZ-FM 106.3. That's Rochester Free Radio, and Blog Talk Radio, Sunday, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific, and of course 6 p.m. UTC for all you international bon vivants. For more great indie music and talk with the artists that make it happen, tune in next week for the David Bowers Awards, and you'll get to hear myself, the legendary John Bon Jovial. And until next week, we'll see you right here. Be safe, love everybody, and again, thank you for spending some time with the David Bowers Awards.